It's all about former President Rodrigo Duterte. The House Quad Committee may question the ex-president's usage of confidential funds. That is, if he is going to attend the next hearing. Santa Rosa, Laguna Representative Dan Fernandez, the four-committee panel may discover link of Duterte's confidential funds to the so-called Davao model. It is the alleged reward system that incentivized police officers to kill suspected drug personalities during the drug war. From 2016 to 2022, Duterte enjoyed around 21.5 billion pesos of confidential intelligence and extraordinary funds. The former president has yet to confirm if he will attend the House Quadcom's hearing. Una na yung sinabi nila di ba? Saan ba galing?
Yeah, saan
itong
galing?
itong mga kung totoo ito, di ba, yung reward system, saan nanggagaling yung mga pinangre-reward sa kanila? And I think they're also going to tap get the assistance of AMLAC.
Yeah.
Dahil din po pwede rin may mga money laundering na pinag-uusapan ito. Bukod doon sa confidential funds.
Pero ang mahirap-
Meron palang extraordinary funds. Alam ko lang intelligence saka confidential.
Madaming pondo yan yung Office of the President. Pero kahit may AMLAC yan, mahihirapan sila magkaroon ng paper trail because
Confidential funds.
no, even if it's listed sa bank ang withdrawals, hindi naman naka-line item. So hindi mo maibabangga sa, kunyari, may payout to certain policemen, hindi mo mababangga kasi lump sum yan.
Yes.
So ang pwede gawin ni Duterte, PRRD yan at that time kasi naka-cash buo. And that's how you disburse it. So wala ka ng paper trail.
Saka yun nga kasi 'di ba may supposedly yung confidential funds or intelligence funds may ano yan national security na ang tawag dito kaakibat. Kaya hindi
Tsaka-
nila po pwedeng i-itemize kung saan nila nilalagay
Tsaka
or binabayad
Oo.
yung pera.
At saka technically, yung drug war is classified as a national security concern and hindi naman proven kay PRRD yung direct link na direct na inutos mo pumatay. At very best daw so far, at very best aside from taking into consideration yung Senate hearing, ang ginawa ni PRRD is to enganyuhin manglaban ang kriminal. If you take a look at the law, yung penal law, yung natin, yung on criminal intent, it's not very clear if you tell somebody, sige, manglaban ka ng laban, tapos pinatay mo. Because technically, self-defense pa rin yun. So, it's not clear yet. Pero hindi pa tapos ang House Quad
Pero
Committee.
ito nga, yung pinag-uusapan
Hindi pa
nila
sila
dyan
tapos.
ay about yung pere. So isa pa rin, kaya nga Quadcom yan dahil yung isa pa, yung issue ng Pogo, di ba, they're saying also baka naman galing din yung ibang mga binibigay sa mga police, yung reward system na to, whoever,
Well, let's see.
ay galing din sa mga kinikita sa Pogo.
As the hearing goes on, ang daming,
Sanga-sanga no?
ang daming nanganganak na issue. Now we're talking about confidential funds of the President.